Indoda eneminyaka engama-40 ubudala yaseGreen Village ethi yabanjwa ngokungafanelekanga ngetyala lokudlwengula ithetha ngempembelelo elityala elibenayo kubomi bayo nakwimizamo yokufumana umsebenzi. Umongameli Shabalala wabanjwa ngo-April wango-2019 ngokunxulumene nesityholo sokuba wadlwengula umtshana wakhe oneminyaka 4 ubudala, kodwa uthi ityala larhoxiswa kamva waze wakhulula ngoJulayi kwangalo nyaka. UShabalala uthi nangona nje wanikwa incwadana eqinisekisa ukosula kwetyala, ityala liyaqhubeka nokuvela ngexesha lokuhlola kwengqesho okwenza kube nzima kuye ukufumana umsebenzi. OkaShabalala ucela uxanduva kunye nokulungisa.
Umongameli Shabalala ubalisa ibali lakhe lokuvalelwa eziseleni ngetyala angazange walenza. Ngonyaka ka-2019 umongameli lamtshonela emini apho waye wabanjwa ngezityholo zokudlwengula umtshana wakhe owayeneminyaka 4 ngelo xesha.
On the 6th of April, a day before my birthday in 2019, a police officer who works in our local police station here in Protea Glen Police Station, the facility in Protea North, came and he said that there's a case that has been opened against me and then I need to come with him to the police station to make a statement. And then when we got outside the gate, he cuffed me. Then I realized that it was something odd. Another police officer came. His badge was written Mufukeng. And then I asked him for help. I told him who I was and where I was from. And then he asked, why did I rape a child? Then that's when I started knowing that I'm being accused of raping a child. He said, I'm being charged with rape. There's a statement that was written by a man called Tsepo Alfred Makubu. Then I realized that he's the father of the child. On the 24th of July, 2024, the state then said that they're withdrawing the case. Magistrate Mtimkulu was presiding. And I asked, why are they withdrawing? By Fumeni, but you know, it's because of this insufficient evidence to prosecute me. And that was also very sad, that I was arrested for rape. Now I'm being taken out of prison and it is said that there's not enough evidence. The evidence that led me to being arrested, where was it? By that time, already it was established that the child had never been raped or sexually violated in any way.
UShabalala uthi angade abe waba nethamsanqa lokungagwetywa minyaka kodwa ixesha alichithe ngaphakathi eziseleni lamonzakalisa.
If you are arrested for rape, you also get raped in prison. And unfortunately also that happened to me. I was attacked by a group of men and they raped me, 7 of them. I was able to identify them, 5 of them the following morning. I would really like to see accountability from a department, SAPS, NPA. The NPA has not yet issued me out with a letter, but they are not going to prosecute me for this case, so that at least I could get exonerated.
Le ndoda ineminyaka engama-40 ubudala ithi ifuna ukubuyisela impilo yayo ibe njengakuqala apho ingenazityholo zijinga phezu kwayo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eGreen Village.